There is nothing we take more seriously than your safety. This is why we install safety devices in every single one of our RVs. Welcome back to our First Time Camper series. Hi, I'm Bart Taylor.
And I'm Matt Arndt.
Today, we will discuss smoke, carbon monoxide, and propane gas detectors. We'll also cover fire extinguishers, GFCIs, and escape windows.
Let's start with smoke detectors. Smoke detectors are typically powered by a 9-volt battery and will chirp when ready to be replaced. Today's smoke detectors come with an expiration date on the manufacturer's label, so be sure to replace it when the expiration date is exceeded. Beyond this, keep the slots clean of dust and avoid spraying aerosols nearby so it can detect smoke easily.
Next is the carbon monoxide detector, commonly referred to as a CO detector. Some common sources of carbon monoxide include malfunctioning or misuse of gas appliances, vehicle engines, generators, and other fuel burning products. Follow these steps for your safety and to keep your CO detector in good working order.
First, verify the alarm's lights and test the alarm before each trip. Vacuum the cover with a soft brush attachment once a month to remove any accumulated dust. And instruct children to never play with the alarm, but warn them of the dangers of carbon monoxide poisoning.
In addition, we have the propane gas leak detector. The propane gas leak detector is also known as an LP detector, and it's a safety device that is permanently mounted near the floor. Propane gas is heavier than air and will settle down near the floor. Some brands may use a combination LP-CO detector. The LP detector is powered by the RV battery or the 12-volt system of the camper. It is important to understand that if the power is disconnected, the LP detector will not operate. It is only operational as long as 12-volt power is available.
Be sure to air out the RV thoroughly after delivery and when cleaning. The alarm may sound at times when household products such as aerosol hairspray, cleaners, adhesives, alcohol, etc. are in use, but no propane is present. For your safety, it's highly recommended to test all detectors prior to each trip.
Next, we have the fire extinguisher. This is standard equipment on every Keystone product and will be located near the main entry door. Be sure to read the instructions so you know how to operate the fire extinguisher before it's actually needed to use.
Now let's talk about the ground fault circuit interrupter, also known as a GFCI. RVIA code requires bathrooms, kitchens, and exterior receptacles or other outlets that can be exposed to water be protected by this highly sensitive device. The GFCI is designed to sense the slightest electrical fault and trip prior to a person being injured. This GFCI receptacle with circuit breaker will typically be found in the bathroom or kitchen.
The GFI receptacle should be tested prior to every trip, or at least once a month. To test the GFCI, push the test button on the face of the receptacle. The reset button should pop out. Power is now off at all outlets protected by the receptacle. Push in the reset button to restore your power. The test is complete when the reset button remains pushed in. If the reset button does not pop out when testing, the GFCI is malfunctioning and no outlets should be used in this circuit for your protection. Promptly contact your dealer if the GFCI malfunctions.
Last, it's always good to know where the escape windows are located and how they work. Emergency exit windows, also known as egress windows, are labeled from the factory with the word exit in bright red. All egress windows can be distinguished by red operational handles or levers. Depending on the window type, an egress window may be a large section of the window or the entire window itself. Review the egress window location and operation with all people staying in the RV.
For more information on your RV safety devices, review your owner's manual. The safety of you and your loved ones is important to us as you camp better. There's no time like the present to get familiar with how to use and properly maintain the safety features of your RV.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of the First Time Camper series, or visit KeystoneRV.com. Thanks for watching.